What's up? Welcome back to Rodney's video. Rodney Gonzalez video. That's my dad. That's me. And why did you just do myself? It's so hot. I can't even look. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Penguins. Penguins. I really like
Ako.
I really
Wala nang
like
nung nagkasingaw yung apo dahil sa nanay.
So good.
Dahil nung babae hindi
So,
yung lola.
it's short. So I need to brush my hair.
Tawag doon,
It's not
ang
short.
sa sinigay niya, inataranta daw siya. So, inumin niya
It's
lang,
not short.
kasi gumagano
It's
daw
not
yung bata.
long enough. I feel like long on my hair.
Hindi, inani ng lalaki.
Look,
Bata.
look at this
Sa
one.
galit yung lola, yung mama na ito. Isama.
Oh, my hair is so
Yung lalaki
long.
na
See, that's
ako mahirap naman nga kasi talaga. Yung alam niya laging hindi nangyayailan pag talaga nangaano ko. Pag naman nandun na ako, nahihirapan pa rin ako kasi hindi ko naman sila totoong pamilya. Kahit lahat sila mabait, nahihirapan pa rin ako. Pero may bahay din yung lalaki.
and now I put my hair like that.
Yung bahay kasi
I don't
nasusuyo
want
sa bahay
it.
nila.
I just want in my
Tapos wala
hair
yung bahay
in
ng
the
babae.
back.
Sa bahay ng lalaki.
So it's gotta be straight. So
Isa rin
I
yung
don't
bahay
like
din yung
my
lalaki.
hair go in here. It's so hot. And it's the so and I have my lotion. It's because the lotion's been melted. My lotion's melting in my hand, my face.
Si Mama diba? Talaga na lang. Sabi ko na lang. Okay, pati ba naman yung talantakan? Lagay nyo lang.
My dad is in subscribe.
Kasi diba,
Oh, I forgot.
sabi ng mama niya, ilabas na nga yung
Click
swimming na.
that bell if you want to see more
Tinanggalan
videos
niya ng
and
chair. Siyempre, swimming
like,
na naman. Siyempre, walang sinela.
subscribe.
Eh,
If you want to
size yung
see more videos.
Buti kasi parang nakawakan niya yung damit. Hindi na doon nakagod yung ulo.
So hot. But it's okay. It's not my friends. See,
Matagal sabi niya, parang mga tao maglalagay ng isa pa.
because I want to love my hair. I want to look. I was just going to brush some teeth. Oh, even my hair was just this. I was really noisy. I put noisy. Also, my smell would be out there.
Papasok ulit sa school si mo, as usual. Ako uli ang maghahatid, ako uli magbabantay. Kasi,
I think
yung magaling
is
niya
it
na,
white?
tulog pa
I
rin.
just
Sarap na sarap ang tulog.
Oh my! Oh my god! So stressed. I cannot do it. I don't really like it, so I'll just do the ponytail. This is how cute. This is how I put a ponytail. Tita, baka mawala yung key dyan. Stop! Stop! Basta, hindi ako yan. Mama mo yan. Elsie. Where's my headband? Now I look. Oh my gosh! Kanina ka pa, ha? Kanina ka pa. Nasabit ka pa dyan.
Really?
I'm using a better gate. I need this. And do you know why I need to get a ponytail? I like do this thing. I'm holding it and I squeeze it. It makes like this. But I don't like it, so like that. Put my lip on.